Following the high-level meeting chaired by Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai in the wake of Omicron cases in Karnataka, the state government has issued a new set of guidelines. Announcing the fresh guidelines, Karnataka Revenue Minister R. Ashoka said, "Government postpones all events in educational institutes till January 15th. Citizens are allowed into theatres, multiplexes, shopping malls only if they are fully vaccinated, and not more than 500 people are allowed to attend public gatherings." According to the guidelines, students below 18 years of age won't be allowed to attend offline classes unless parents are completely vaccinated. Meanwhile, Health and Medical Education Minister Dr. K. Sudhakar on Friday announced that COVID risk allowance for resident medical doctors has been released. The government has released Rs 55 crore out of Rs 73 crore and the rest will be released in a day or two. He also assured timely release of salaries for doctors and medical staff. According to the latest announcement by the Bengaluru civic body, the cases of new variant Omicron in Karnataka will be treated in Bengaluru's Boring Hospital.